Oke, finish. Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah wa asyhadu anna Muhammadar Rasulullah. Allahumma shalli ala Muhammad wa ala ali Muhammad. Good morning everyone.
Good morning Ustazah.
Ya, kan ini good afternoon harusnya jawabnya. Good afternoon. Good afternoon everyone.
Afternoon Ustazah.
How are you today?
I'm fine. And you?
Alhamdulillah, inshallah Ustazah Zita is fine too. Okay. Now, are you full? Yes. Have you had your lunch? Yes. Okay. But let's start. Before we start, let's recite basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, Ustazah, have some question for you before we start our lesson today. First, what is the first thing that you do in the morning? Pray subuh. Okay. Open your eyes. Good. Breakfast. Take a bath. Okay. So, do you always do that every day? Yes. Do you always pray subuh?
Yes.
And then do you always take a bath in the morning?
Yes.
Okay. And why? Why do you have to do that? Because, for example, you have to get up. Why? Why do you have to get up? Kenapa kau harus bangun pagi? Because? Oh yeah, because if you don't wake up, you cannot go to school. Iya dong, kalau nggak bangun, kita nggak bisa melakukan aktivitas yang lainnya. Okay, do you think it is important to do? Get up in the morning? Yes. What if you don't? Kalau nggak bangun, apa gimana? Iya. But do you have any other activities that you always do every day? Ada nggak aktivitas lain yang biasanya kalian lakukan setiap hari? Selain bangun tentunya. Hey, apalagi? Reading, study, good. Reading, sleep, good. Many things or many activities we do it every day. Kita melakukan aktivitas yang sama berulang kali setiap hari. So, we are going to learn about daily routines. Jadi kita akan belajar tentang daily routines. Apa itu daily routines? Iya, daily itu harian. Routines. What is routine? Rutinitas. Jadi yang berulang-ulang dan setiap hari. Okay, nah today we are going to have these activities. First, we have vocabulary quiz. And then later, you will brainstorm about routines. And then we have reading activity. And then we are going to write our daily routines in the form of timetable. And the last, you will present your daily routines. Okay, this one are our objective, tujuannya ya. So first, you are going to mention daily routine vocabulary. Nanti diingat-ingat lagi kosakata bahasa Inggris tentang kehidupan sehari-hari itu apa bahasa Inggrisnya. And then read and comprehend passage about daily routine. Kita akan latihan membaca teks dan memahami teks tentang daily routine. 3. Write your daily routine timetable. Nanti kalau sudah membaca teks punya orang, yuk latihan mencoba menulis daily routine diri kalian sendiri and present. Dan nanti latihan yuk di-share sama teman-temannya. Ini ada loh perintahnya dari Al-Quran. Ada sebuah riwayat, whoever's day is better than yesterday, he is among the fortunate. Siapa yang hari ini lebih baik dari kemarin, dia adalah orang yang beruntung. And whoever day is the same as yesterday, he is among the loser. Siapa yang hari ini lebih buruk daripada hari kemarin, dia termasuk orang yang rugi atau and whoever's day is worse than yesterday is among the unfortunate. Oh sama ya, kebalik itu tadi. Kalau yang rugi itu orang yang harinya itu sama hari ini sama kemarin. Kalau yang nggak beruntung, rugi adalah yang hari ini lebih buruk daripada hari kemarin. Yuk, let's have some quiz. Hey, let's divide you into two teams. You already stayed in teams. Team 1 and team 2. Okay. Okay, let's start. Team 1, who wants to do rock, paper, scissors, and team 2? The representative. Okay, Inshira and Anissa, do rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Okay, Inshira first, team 2 first. Team 1 ya. It means team 1 and team 2. Just a number. 11. Okay. You give 20 points to team 2. Okay. Next. Team 2, choose a number. What number? 6. Okay. Choose the correct option. What does he do? He take a shower, brush my teeth, or eat? Brush. Okay. Okay, you get 20 points. Team 2, team 1. What number? 3. Okay. What is that? Go to school? Yeah, it's go to school. Okay, next. This team? What number? 15. Okay. What does she do? Read? Study. But that's okay. Because he holds the book and it's okay if you answer it as reading. Okay, team 1. Choose the correct option. Consider it is 7 p.m. 7 p.m. Have dinner. Okay. Next. This thing? Anybody of you can. Aska, what number do you want? 10. Okay. What does he do? Sleep. Okay. Next. 4. Other team loses 20 points. You get back your point. What? 5. Lose 20 points. Ini berkurang ya. Timnya Balkis. Wow. What is that? Gym? Sport? PE? Sport? Any other? Gym? Okay. It is exercise. Just the same, it's okay doing sport. Okay. This team? Radinka maybe? What number? 7? 7, okay. What does he do? He has omelette, I think, and sausages. Is this breakfast? Let's check. Good. 8. What? Show. What is get dressed? Pakai baju. Okay. Okay, the same. What number? Lacita, Gemma, Rahab, 13. Choose the correct option. Take a shower. Okay. What? Win 21. For free. Next, 16. Choose the correct option. Wake up or get up. What? Wake up or get up? Wake up? Okay. You don't know. Yeah. Okay. What is the difference between wake up and get up? Yes. Wake up itu masih bangun buka mata. Kalau get up, you get and do something. Nah, what does it? Watch TV. Yeah, watch TV. Okay, morning. What? She? Oh. Okay. Okay, so the winner is Team Dog. Okay, now This one, yay. Oh, kalau menang dapat kebahagiaan, senang. Okay, yuk, let's brainstorm. Please write down as many as activities in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, and at night. Okay? Yeah. Good. Habis ya, but it's okay. Okay. Let's change the marker. Morning, afternoon, and then evening, and okay. Morning, what time does it start? Kalau biasanya morning itu mulai jam berapa? 7? 4? 12? Oke. Biasanya kalau morning itu kalau sesuai jam itu mulai jam 12 malam 00 itu sampai pukul 11.59. How about afternoon? For example, and afternoon until this is AM ya. Until 3, 4, okay. 2 PM. And this one evening until 9 PM. Sampai jam 9 malam itu termasuk evening ternyata. Yes. Yes. 2 PM. Yeah. Okay. Now let's do this. Please write down the activities based on their time. Come on. This one who wants to write? Okay. You may write it. So I give you how many minutes? Okay, until 5 minutes. Okay, go. Yes, up to you. You can write down here, or there. No. Yeah. Come on. Write down any activities. No need, just on the board. Come on. If you finish, you can give it to your friends. Okay, you may give it to your friends if you're done. Okay, go. Yeah, help her. That's okay. Yeah. Alika, you may give it to your friends. Okay. Anything. What do you do in the morning? Okay, that's all right. Just write any activities that you do it. Okay. Yeah. Course. Les itu bahasa Inggrisnya course. You may give it to your friends. Watch. Watch. Yes. Yeah. Okay, give it to your friends. Give it to Aska, Gemma. Be careful. You may change the marker. Ganti. Ada nggak marker yang lain? Do you have another marker? No? Okay. That's okay. Change with your friends, okay? Okay, go. Go. Wait, let me find another marker. Assalamualaikum. Ada nggak? Ini nggak dipakai. Thank you. This one, marker. Finish. Oh, come on. Oh my God. Enggak. Nora. Jana. Mandi sore ada. Ada. Come on. Citra. Come on, write it. Any activities? Okay. Come on. Nadine, come on, Din. Be careful.
Apa sih?
Hey, whose marker is it? Oh yeah. Let's try that. Okay. Do you want to write? Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Thank you. Please go back to your chair. Finish? Go back to your chair. Come on, put the markers back. What is pipis in English? P. It's okay. Take P. Come on, finish up. You write your name. Have dinner. Yeah, have dinner. V.
Itu boleh lagi,
Iya, ayo, time's up. Just one more. She doesn't know how to write it. No, you are okay. Let's check. Thank you, everybody. Okay, let's check the activity in the morning. Take a bath. Yeah. Breakfast, pray duha, go to school, study, watch TV, tidy up. Make a note. What make a note? Notes about what? Pray subuh finish ya. Oh, not yet. Pray duhur. Okay. Have lunch. Have lunch, is it in the afternoon or in the morning? Not yet, yeah. If it is in the morning, you can say brunch, breakfast and lunch. Di tengah-tengahnya, study, pray asar, go back home, take a shower. You can say pray duhur here. Apalagi?
Ya, Pri.
Nah, ya.
Itu udah ada.
Have lunch. Iya, nggak apa. Pagi maksudnya. Okay, evening, take a shower, read Quran, watch TV, study, reading, play cards, drawing, evidence. Any others? Okay. Study. Belajarnya malam banget ini. Study at late night. Okay. What time do you study? Iya, bisa. Ada beberapa aktivitas itu yang mungkin kita melakukannya di waktu malam hari atau di waktu petang. That's okay. Okay. What is that? Wake up to? Wake up, no. Take pee in the middle of the night. You don't write.
Itu wake up to TV.
Oh alah, one pack. Apa ini one packet sama satu paket ini?
Jadi bonus itu.
Bonus. Okay, now let's work in pair after this. Berpasangan, dua-dua. Okay. Okay, Aska and Nuha then. Oh no. How many students are here? Two, two. Okay. So Radinka, three with Kema and Aska. That's okay. What you have to do, Ustada already put a text outside. Ustada sudah meletakkan sebuah teks di luar. Where is it? Di luar nalar. Oke. Nih, you are going to read a text about Sarah's daily routine. And what you have to do? Wait, okay. You have to complete Sarah's daily routine timetable here. Ini ada bagian yang blank. Silakan dicari. For example, at 3 a.m., what does she do? Dia melakukan apa? And then, like this, she has breakfast at what time? Complete the blank by read the text here. The text is outside. Any question? No. Okay. Please do it in turns. Okay. One student read, one student write. Okay. What? Yes, for example like this, yeah. Wait. Okay. Yes. Wait. Okay, listen up. Listen up. For example, Alika and Nuha. So Alika will stay in the class, and Nuha will go outside, read the text, and find the answer. If you already finished find the answer, go back to the class and tell your friends. For example, Alika, the answer of number 1 is blah blah blah. So Alika will write the answer. Finish and then in turn. Gak paham? Ya. Ya. Wait, for example, iya, biar kalian gerak nggak di dalam kelas aja. Iya, for example, Rahaf and Lochita. Listen, Ustada will explain one, so please listen carefully. Rahaf will stay inside. Okay? And Lochita will find the answer outside. For example, question number 1, at 3:30 a.m., what does she do? So Lochita find this information by reading the text outside. Okay, if Lochita already find the answer, go back and tell Rahaf. Bilang ke Rahaf jawabannya. Rahaf will write it. Rahaf akan bilang jawabannya. Kalau finish gantian nanti. Rahaf yang cari jawaban, Lochita yang menulis. Do you understand? Okay. Let's go. Yes. Yeah, wait. Please check here. Ganti ya. No, you have to wait in here. Itu. One paper. Satu kelompok, satu LKPD, okay? One worksheet. Complete the end. Apa itu? Are you ready? You have to be ready. Ya, namanya, your name and your friend's name. Okay, are you ready? So you can do it by yourself while waiting for Dinda, okay? Get set, go. Only 10 minutes to do that, okay? Be careful. Just walk, okay? Walk slowly, no running. Walk slowly, no running. It's okay, you do it by yourself while waiting for Dinda. Thank you. Sada sakti. She is finding the information. Patient. Finish. Be careful. Ini ako.
Ayo game. Ayo Oscar, apa?
Come on, in turn, go.
Nanti kamu lu rahas.
What? Finish? Okay. Where is the cap? Where is this cap? Come on. Okay, wait. Bye. Come back. Nice, Saskia. Ini tuh kan Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time up. Oh my god. Go back to to your chair. Done. Come on. Finish.
Ya pada gitu. Ya.
Finish.
Aku 9 kali masalah. Kalau 9:30 tuh masih 3:30 masih.
Okay, let's check. No. Okay, sit down. Come on, Rahab, get in. Get in. Okay, let's check. Okay, number 1. Okay, at 3:30. Who is that? Alika, sit down please. At 3:30 a.m. What does Sarah do? Get up. Okay. And then, what time does she have breakfast? At 6. Are you sure? Yes, at 6 she has breakfast. And about 8:30, around 8:30 until 9:30, what does she do? She has what lesson in her school? PE lesson. What is PE lesson? Yeah, physical education lesson, PJOK. And what time does she have lunch and pray duhur? Jam berapa? What time? 12 a.m. until 1 p.m. After life skill class at 2, what does she do? Religious study. What is religious study? Oh ya, pelajaran agama. At 3:15, she goes home from school. What time does she have English course? What time? At 5 until 6. Do you have English course too, everyone, or any course? What time does she do her homework or review the lesson? What time?
5 sampai 6:30.
6:30 p.m. 6:30 p.m. Yes. 6:30 p.m. and until maybe around 8 p.m. And the last one at 9 until 3:30, what does she do? Go to okay. Do you have? That's okay as long as the time is right. Okay. So do you get all right? Who get rank? Who get what? You are not finished yet? That's all right. How many questions you didn't answer yet? Oh, the last one. That's okay. You can work faster, okay? So that's all right. Okay. Is the done? Okay. So after reading the text and the timetable, which one do you think it is easier to find or to understand the text? Which one is the easier? The text or the timetable to understand Sarah's daily routine? Lebih gampang memahami teks seperti ini atau seperti itu? Timetable. Why? Iya. Kalau mungkin untuk sebagai tulisan menyusun jadwal, you can use timetable like that. But if you want to present or practice reading, you can read this kind of, bisa membaca teks seperti ini. Oke. Dan di sini nanti sudah jelas ada waktu-waktunya. Jadi kita lebih mudah untuk memahami aktivitas apa, jam berapa, seperti itu. Oke. So after this, but please use English, okay? Tadi banyak banget yang nggak pakai bahasa Inggris. Please try to use English. Okay, but you already done great. Now, please make your own daily routine timetable. Very good. Okay, now write your own daily routines and please write it in the form of timetable. So, yang kayak gini. Nah, silakan dibuat tabel. Nanti in the morning, what do you do and what time? And then in the afternoon, in the evening, and in the Astagfirullah. You may use different color to make it easier for you. Boleh pakai warna biar lebih mudah. Any question before you do this? I give you 10 minutes. Is it enough? 15. Iya bisa kalau nggak pakai bercanda. If you do it seriously, you can do that. Okay. Yes, please write it down. Yes, Balkis. Yeah, because this is for Sarah and this is for you. I want to know your daily routines. Okay. Timetable. Yes, you may keep it.
Okay.
Askan, you okay? Loh. What? Maybe if we have another competition, you can join it. If AF hold it. Yeah. Okay, come on. In 10 minutes, go. Silakan nih buat 11. After this you have another lesson, right?
Harus pakai nama lengkap.
That's okay. Where is this cap? I try to find this cap. Thank you, Mbak. Ngajar sains juga dah. Ngajar sains juga. Oh, kayak bukunya IPA anak kelas 3. Saya kirain sains itu tadi. Nggak motong lagi deh. Waktunya masih agak motong lagi. 10 menitan, paling nggak 15 menitan. Tapi kan aku PGSD. Tapi mungkin besok kalau yang pelajaran lain aku tanya pengajar bahasa Indonesia aja nggak ngerekam 2 kali.
Tarik saya di lokal itu. Ya udah kamu. Ya udah pakai cepat. Masa yang ngelamun, Re? Bahasa Inggris yang ngelamun?
Daydreaming.
Daydreaming?
Yes.
Dehidrasi.
That's okay.
Gak cukup.
You use the ruler but you don't follow the ruler.
Aku pengen lucu kayak apa? Iya, lucu. Ini saja. Aku lihat. Nggak mau. Jadi,
Nggak kelihatan? Do you need that? Okay.
kecil apa nih?
You don't have to be the same. Nggak harus sama ya, kan sesuai sama your routine. Right, your own daily routine.
Tapi kegiatan sama kayak Sarah.
Oh ya? So do you pray tahajud? Oh ya, oh good. Okay, yes. That's alright. You're welcome. Oh. And then what time do you get up? Nyesal datang belakangan. Oh. Cuman Maya. Okay. Let's see.
Good morning. Morning kok jam 12? Jam 12 malam. Itu kan di pagi. Lucu banget. Aku nggak mau berhenti. Masih tapi aku jam 5 malam.
Yes.
What is menyiapkan pelajaran in English?
Prepare the lesson.
Oh iya.
Jam 5 masih bisa sholat.
Boleh lah.
Oh, baik apa?
Siang banget. Okay, that's okay. You may write down the activities weekdays or on the weekend. Boleh aktivitasnya ketika weekend atau ketika hari efektif. What? Come on. 5 more minutes.
Lesson book atau
Prepare books. That's okay. Prepare for school. It's okay. Prepare. P-A-R-E. Like this. Maybe.
Aku bangun bilang aku bangun di sini. Aku sangat sumberin.
That's okay. Prepare for going to school. Prepare to school, it's okay. That's okay, just the same.
Oh, bisa. Apa sih?
What? Recess itu istirahat.
Others have been present to cover,
Apa?
having listened.
That's okay.
It's okay, no problem. Dia kecil banget dia kayak aku. Aku itu dari lepas. Begitu. Bahasa Indonesia maskeran itu apa?
Wearing a mask. Wearing mask.
Maskeran itu malam bisa. Mana sih? Dua kali. Boleh. Masa ada itu dua kali dari sini. Aku dapat malam. Aku tahu.
Come on, the time is running.
Jangan jangan jangan. Oke. Kenapa begini sih? Bahasa Inggrisnya Pastor Rika di supermarket. Apa bedanya Senin sama Senin?
Apa?
Senin itu sore.
Yes.
Kira sore sama
Sore, evening it's for like petang.
Terus kalau misalnya mau dengan tak sudah sampai
Oke. Okay, 5 more minutes. Oh, what? Yes, come on, make it faster. That's all right. That's okay. You make your own format.
Tapi kayaknya aku sendiri yang
You don't have to write that, but if you want to make it more detailed, that's okay. Tadi it's okay. That's okay. What? Finish standing kah?
Waktunya
That's okay. It's up to you. You can write it, use each lesson in detail, or just write down study. It's okay. Study at school, so you don't have to write it. That's all. No, I mean, for example, at 6, at 7 until 12, I study at school, like this. There are so many activities in one time. Okay, almost up. The time is up. Let's finish. Come on, the time is almost up. Okay, that's okay. Seselesainya aja, nggak apa-apa. Okay. Now, let's share to your friends. Nggak apa-apa. That's okay. Let's share your routines to your friend. Even if you just finish in the morning, that's okay. Kalau masih pagi aja, that's okay. Share itu cerita. Oke. Any volunteer? Ada yang mau presentasi atau harus diacak dulu? Semua diacak. Semuanya dapat bagian. Ya, siapa? Who is the luckiest one? Lacita, come on. That's okay. Just the morning, it's okay. Selesainya aja. Tadi ngapain aja? Okay, come on. Come forward, please. Come on, Rahab. Remove. Yes, wait. Rahab, it's not yet. Come on.
Untung aku sampai morning doang.
Iya, that's okay. Anu tuh, oke. Yuk, salam dulu.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, I want to share about my.
I want to share my daily routine.
Okay.
In the morning,
At 4.
at 5:29 a.m. I
Mhm.
get up.
Okay.
And 4:30 a.m. to 4:40 a.m. take wudu and pray subuh. And take wudu and pray subuh.
Hmm.
At 4:40 a.m. to 4:50 a.m. and breakfast.
Okay.
At 4:50 a.m. to 5:20 a.m. take a shower and get dressed. At 5:30 p.m. I go to school.
Mhm.
At 6:50 a.m. to 12 p.m.
Okay. Thank you. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Rahab. So, what time does she wake up? What time does she wake up? Jam berapa tadi? Okay. Okay. It means you listen. Good. Next, one more student. You want that? Go. Come on. Come on. Go. Good. Yes. Look at the time.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yes. I want to share about my daily routines.
I want to show about my daily routine.
Okay.
16.
At 6, what? Oh, at 6,
At 6, I wake up.
Mhm.
At 6:30, I pray subuh and
That's okay. Just listen first.
I pray subuh. And at 7
Uh-huh.
to 7:15.
What? You right. 7:15.
7:15, I brush my face and skincare.
Okay, you put on your skincare. Woo.
7:05
Uh-huh.
to 8:30, I go to traditional market. 34, 8:30 to 6:05, I change clothes and pray Buddha. 6:30 to 11, I dress and get forecast to at 11 to 11:05.
50.
50, I wash automatic and wash.
Okay, Les. Thank you. Give applause. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, thank you. Almost. What is less in English? What is less in English? Course. You can say write it course. Okay. Okay. The other, you may present it later if we have time in the next meeting. Okay. So we already done, finished. We almost up. The time is up. Now let's make a reflection. How is today's lesson? Was it hard, easy, or so-so? Medium? So funny? Medium rare, natural. So what have you learned today? What you have learned today? You learn about daily routine. Which part is easy for you? Which part is easy? All easy? Alhamdulillah. Okay. So what have you done really well today? Reading is not easy. What have you done really well today? You join the class actively. It's really good today for me. And but in the next time, what you want to improve? Di pertemuan yang selanjutnya, apa ya yang perlu kita perbaiki? Apa Nuha? Mulutnya? Ya, apa? You don't know? Maybe you can practice more English, okay? Coba latihan bahasa Inggris. Apalagi nanti kan ada Cambridge Progression Test juga. Yuk sering-sering latihan pakai bahasa Inggris, ngobrol, kemudian baca-baca teks yang berbahasa Inggris, try to listen, something like that. Okay, any question? No? If you don't have any, oh ya Balkis. Okay, good. Just try to read, and if you don't know or you find difficulties, you can ask your teacher or your parents. Okay. Gimana? Yeah, that's okay. Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
Why we learn English?
Because oh yes, you can have it. Okay, after this, let's say hamdalah together. Amin. Okay, let's give applause for all of us. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you so much everyone. Ya, dibawa pulang ya enggak? Bring it.